We're gonna make a pumpkin spice drink to start it off.
Yum! All right, but I gotta be honest. I am more of a salted caramel kind of person. I will have pumpkin spice if it is put in front of me, but I won't go out of my way to order it.
I definitely don't order pumpkin spice lattes as soon as they're on the menu.
It's okay to admit that to people.
We need 1 ounce of pumpkin spice rumchata.
This stuff is really, really good.
We did it on the last live. It's much better than the Old Smoky movie.
Yep, I thought that the Old Smoky would trump it, but yeah, Rumchata got him. In my opinion, my humble opinion.
1 ounce of spiced rum.
Okay.
Reminds me like an eggnog with pumpkin in it.
'Tis the season. Wait.
You're gonna make people mad.
Yeah, well, I already made people mad. I posted an article about pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice is delicious though.
Pumpkin spice is a polarizing, like, topic.
You could do this as a shot. I'm doing it as a cocktail because I don't know if I'm gonna like it.
Oh.
It smells good. Cheers.
Cheers. What is that face?
I'm just gonna savor it.
I know.